that HTTPX, let it scan all night, night. Roll that HTTPX, spin on my bike. Roll that HTTPX, let it scan all night, night. Roll that HTTPX, spin on my bike.
Roll that HTTPX, let it scan all night. Sub find a dig and bring the whole scope to light. Quiet in the shadows while the packets take flight. Bug bounty grind, yeah, we working every night. Roll that HTTPX, let it scan all night. Sub find a dig and bring the whole scope to light. Keep it low key, keep the workflow tight. Another clean report when the timing look right. Laptop glowing while the city's asleep. Got a fresh target loaded, now the crawl runs deep. So find a hunt in every host name it can see. Stack another subdomain, map the whole family tree. ATTTX knocking, who alive one by one. Sort the ATTTS from the servers that's done. Status codes tell stories, headers whisper clues. Take notes, stay patient, never responds, got news. No rush, no guessing, let the data unfold. Small wins add together in the finest work go. Pipeline stay clean, every output aligned. Enumeration first, that's the state of my mind. Roll that HTTPX, let it scan all night. Sub find a dig and bring the whole scope to light. Quiet in the shadows while the packets take flight. Bug bounty grind, yeah, we working every night. JSON on the screen, everything look neat. Pipe another output, keep the workflow complete. Scope stay legal, every target approved. Slow, methodical, every move well grooved. Check the titles, fingerprints, ports on the side. Every little detail got a place to reside. Build another script just to save some time. Automate the boring, let the brain do the climb. From a single root domain to a network so wide. Every endpoint catalog, every service identified. One clean report, one more payout in sight. Back to the terminal before the daylight.
Sub find a whisper while the night wind blow. ATTTTPX, tell me everything I should know. Stay smooth, stay focused, let the workflow ride. Old school Memphis cadence with the terminal by my side. Roll that HTTPX, let it scan all night, night. Roll that HTTPX, let it scan all night, night. Roll that HTTPX, let it scan all night.
Sub finder, enumerate the subdomain. Bring them out the shadows, put them all in the frame. One after another, every host got a name. Map the whole target, that's the bug bounty game. Sub finder, enumerate the subdomain. Keep it nice and quiet while I'm building my lane. Every little host name added to the chain. Knowledge is the power, let the scanner maintain. Terminal glow, coffee sitting by the keys. Scope look clean, let the workflow breathe. Root domain loaded, now it's time to explore. Every hidden host name knocking on the door. API over here, dev box on the side. Staging in the back where the secrets might hide. Keep it all organized, every line gets saved. Enumeration first, that's the habit we made. Pipe it to the next tool, let the process flow. Sort it, filter it, watch the whole list grow. No shortcuts taken, every step by design. Slow grind today means a better find in time.
Sub finder, enumerate the subdomain. Bring them out the shadows, put them all in the frame. One after another, every host got a name. Map the whole target, that's the bug bounty game.
Every endpoint cataloged, every record in place. Build another data set for the next race. Stay inside the scope, keep it cool, keep it clean. Professional mindset every time I hit the screen. Headers tell stories, DNS leaves tracks. Little bits of evidence stacking up facts. Patient with the process, let the results explain. Sub finder working while I'm riding in the rain.
Late night sessions, cassette hits in the air. Sub finder grinding with a honest care. Map the whole kingdom before the next phase. Old school Memphis rhythm for the modern bug bounty days. T-Sharp, hear the traffic, dig deep, know the magic host names, tell the story, and let's look up, find the glory. MTR, Trinks the highway, Linux riding my way.
Pseudo chart got it, so watch it stream. Packets flowing like a dream. Pseudo chart, easy interfaces. Pick the right one, run the traces. Pseudo chart, port 443. HTTPS, sliding by encrypted rhythm, never lie. LS400 wood grain glow. Every packet still the show.
Capture filter, read it right. Every packet, every byte.
T-Sharp,
never sleeping. Network secrets, always keeping.
Digexample.com, ask the question. A record, get direction. DigMXexample.com.
Mail exchange, know the route. No confusion, figure it out.
DigNSexample.com.
Who's in charge? Name, server, standing large. Dig short, example.com. Quick reply, straight to business, no disguise. A record, AAA.
Scene name,
MX, every answer on display.
TTL ticking,
Cash alive.
DNS keeps the world in drive.
HostExample.com, name the IP. Simple answer, easy to see. Host AAAAA, reverse that trail. PGR record, never fail. Lightweight tool, quick and clean. Gets the facts behind the scene. BMW E38, nighttime roll. DNS knowledge, heart and soul.
Host it, dig it,
Read the signs
every lookup.
every time.
Host it, dig it,
Read the signs
every lookup.
every time.
Sharp,
Sharp.
is lookupexample.com. Ask once more, different tools, same core. Ends lookup in an active mode. Questions changing down the road. Set tight, Max Mel appear. Set tight, ET truth is here. Legacy tools still around, helping when problems found.
MTR.
MTexample.com.
Hop by hop, latency, never stop. Pack your loss, watch it rise. Find the trouble, analyze. Router 1, router 2, every gateway passing through. Pearl white GS cruise all night. Every route displayed right. T-Sharp,
Capture vision,
big precision.
host quick decisions.
In this lookup,
Old tradition,
MTR,
not the road.
network wisdom.
Heavy load,
Packet start.
DNS sings. Routers tell everything. Learn the path, hop by hop. Linux rhythm never stop. Take that fake CL, write that entry. Get FACL. Read it gently. Lock that folder. Keep it ready. Linux law. Code and deadly. Ownership change, but the rules got deeper. Standard bits ain't enough for the keeper. Get fuck a project, read the ledger. Every permission fit together. User got red, group got right, others block. Everything right. LS400 midnight cruise. Only trust the hands get to choose. Read that list, write that right. Least privilege every night. Set FACL. Hold it steady. Get FACL. Check it ready.
Open that gate, open that gate, open that gate, open that gate.
Open that gate, read, write, execute, validate. Team stay sync, no confusion. Policy link, no extra access, no confetti. Just enough already ready. Pearl white SC, moonroof crack. Permissions tight, no looking back. Read, execute. 3 little flags, tell the truth. Owner. Crystal clear. Get back a report, text, read the facts, every ACL, line by line. Nothing hidden, nothing blind. Take it back, permission gone. Clean the trash, set back a beat, report. Start brand new, default rules come into view. BMW E38, flow through town. ACLs, lock it down. Set FACL. FACL. Shape the story. Get FACL. Read the glory.